Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My channel is It's M at Mary Z. I want to thank those who have already subscribed to my channel. Thank you ever so much. And those who are new, to watch this channel, please do subscribe. I am looking for more subscribers. And please, after you watch the video, press the like button, do share the video, and also leave some comments. I would be very, grateful. Today, I'm looking at a neurological condition. This neurological condition is called meningitis. It's called meningitis. Meningitis is caused by bacteria and viruses which attack the membrane, lining the brain. There's a membrane lining the brain and the spinal cord. So this disease affects the membrane of the brain and the spinal cord. So which is both viral infection and bacterial infection. So meningitis is quite common, and it is a serious disease, and experts who have carried out researches on this disease, they've come up with the fact that it mostly affects the children. So meningitis usually affects the children, young adults, and of course it also affects adults, but commonly affects the children. So how do we find out that someone is being affected by meningitis? These are called symptoms, the symptoms of meningitis. One can have a very high temperature and resulting in a fever. So this is a sign of meningitis. The patient might have nausea, feeling sick, headache, and sometimes rash develop all over the body, and sometimes the patient feels drowsy and can end up having seizures. So these are the symptoms. So when these symptoms do happen to an individual, we must seek immediate help. We must go to the hospital where we get help. So meningitis is also a medical emergency. We shouldn't just stay home, because like I've said earlier on, it is a serious disease which is life-threatening. So the earlier we seek help, the better. So we also have questions on how meningitis we can catch this disease, or how it is spread. It is said that when people sneeze, they can pass on that disease to other people. So when people cough, they can pass on to another person. When people kiss, they can pass on this disease to another person. So we need to be careful, and we need to be aware of what we can do, when we are in an environment where someone is suffering from meningitis. Usually, when you have this disease, you go to the hospital to seek medical help, and usually the treatment for meningitis is antibiotics. You get antibiotics, and then in the hope of recovering from this disease. So this is information which is vital to all of us. And remember, it's a neurological condition. So to sum up, I can give you briefly again what we should remember about this disease, or about this condition. It's a neurological condition or we can say it's a disease, which is occurring around the brain area, the spinal cord, area, and it is a medical emergency, and usually affecting children, young adults. And when people are affected by meningitis, remember it's really a medical emergency. So it's important to seek help as soon as we can. Now, to sum up, meningitis is a viral or bacterial disease caused by bacteria and also caused by virus. And meningitis has some symptoms. The following are the symptoms: high temperature, nausea, headaches, rash developing, drowsiness. A patient can end up having seizures, and we need to seek help as quickly as we can because it is a medical emergency. And we should also, as a summary, I'm just, trying to reiterate what I've said earlier, that it is you can get infected by meningitis if you are in an environment where someone is sneezing, where someone is coughing, and we can also get it through, bodily fluids like kissing, So the earlier the better to seek medical help. And the treatment in the hospital is antibiotics. So I hope you have found this interesting. You have got a few reminders or an awareness of what meningitis is. So please continue to watch my videos and continue to give any comments, press the like button and share the video so that we keep on exchanging, or we keep on getting help from this informative channel. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and please do try and watch my next video where I'll be bringing again new and informative health tips. Thanks for watching for now. Bye.